Hi everyone and welcome to this new tutorial. My name is MOSSE JEREMI and in today's video I'm going to teach you how to make this. So after watching this video, you now know what I'm talking about. First of all, let me open my Capcut. I'm using Capcut for this tutorial. I like Capcut, how to edit my videos. I have some tutorial on top. Go and watch it on this channel. So in today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can make text animation for your intro videos. Let me open my Capcut. When you open your Capcut, you click on New Project. After clicking on New Project, you now choose any video here. You go on Stock Videos. You have to get strong network before you can edit this type of video. You click on the first one, 6 second, black. You will take Add. When you click on the 6 second video, let me show you something. You cannot drag it. You cannot drag it. So what you can do now, let me show you some trick. You'll come in the middle first and you go on freeze. Freeze at the end here, you can see it. This is freeze. You click on freeze. When you click on freeze, you'll notice that your clip has become 3. First one, the freezing one, and the last one. What you're going to do now, you will now delete the last one and also delete the first one. Now you have your freezing video, meaning that you can now drag it. The first one was 6 seconds. Now I'm going to 15 seconds. Let me show you. Watch here, you will see something. 12 seconds, 13, 15 seconds. Now that I have my 15 seconds, let me add my text. You click on text down, add text. You write your text. Now you are free to use whatever you want. I'm writing my own name, MOSSE Jeremi. This is my name I'm writing. You can write any name you want over there for your intro. When you type MOSSE Jeremi, you will go on font. You click on English. When you click on English, I will take this one here, resolve. After taking the resolve, you come on effects. You click here, effect. When you click on effect, let me show you those different effects you can use. You can use this is the first one, second. So you have different effects. You can go through them and choose the one you want. I like this one. You see, you can go through them. This one too is very nice. But I'll use this one. I'll use this one for this tutorial. When you click on it, what you are going to do now, you take this. After taking this, let me show you something. When you are scrolling it, you see your text will go off out of a 15 second. You will now drag your text to fill your 15 second black background. You see? That is it. So what you're going to do now, you will save it. Click on export. It's exporting. Done saving. So you click on done. Now this is our second part. You click on another new project. You click on your 15 second video. You take add. When you take add, you can see nothing here. Nothing is happening. You come here, you click on overlay. Overlay. After clicking on overlay, you add overlay. Go on stock videos. The same thing. You click the black one, 6 seconds. You click add. When you click add, you adjust it to fill your video. You see, 6 seconds. The same thing. Go on freeze. You go and freeze it. Freezing, first one, delete, you delete the first one. First delete. First delete. This is the second one. That one you delete it, delete. Now this is the freezing one. Drag and adjust it to a 15 second. Adjust to a 15 second. Now you can see your black video, the overlaid one, is on top of your previous video, the one you just exported. What you are going to do now, you click on the overlay one, you come here on mask, you click on mask. After clicking on mask, you take mirror, you click on mirror, you will come down here, you see somewhere they say invert, you click on invert. Now you can see your text. What you are going to do, you hold it and adjust. You can see. Now you can see some 2 arrows. You drag them small. You see what I'm doing? You drag them small. Now let me go here. You drag it to the end. You drag it to the end. Let me go back small. When you drag it to the end, what you are going to do now, you click on mask. What you are going to do now, you add keyframe. This thing is called keyframe. The plus button on the diamond, you click on it. Now you will come, let's say around 10 seconds. You come 10 seconds, you drag your mirror one and pass on top of your video. You see 10 seconds, you pass on top of your video and go down and go again around here. When you come here in the middle, you will go back, but when you are going back, you'll be adjusting your mask. You'll be adjusting your mask, going back like this, adjusting small, going back, adjusting small, go back, adjusting. You see what I'm doing? Before you feel it like this. So let's watch it. You go back. When you click on it, you see what is happening? You see, it will come back. You see, now it is revealing everything. That is it. So this is the first one. Let me go now and add my music. So I wanted some music on YouTube library. I didn't get it. So what I did, I screen recorded. Let me show you. You click on audio. When you click on audio, you see somewhere here they say extracted. You click on it. You click on the video. You just screen record. This is it, 29 seconds. Click on it. Import sound only. You click on it. Now let's play and see. You see my music will start here. You see? So I'll click on my sound, split it, delete the first one, adjust it here, and I will speed it up. You click on the music again. You go on speed. I'll go to 1.4. Let me play and see. So this is not bad, but let me come here. I'll come here and delete the first one. I'll split it. Delete the first one. Delete. Adjust here. Let's play it. So I don't like the speed. Let me click on it again. Go on speed. Go back to 1.2. Yes. Let me play it. See what is happening. But for your own over there, sorry for that. You see what is happening? For your own over there, you don't need 15 seconds. You only need 5 seconds or 6 seconds to shoot your video. You see how I added my music? Now let's play it. See? Now the music continue. I will come here. I'll come here, split it, delete the last one. You click on your audio again, fade, drag the fade out to, let's say, 0.7, 0.7, fade in, the same thing, 0.5. Voila, when you finish editing it like this, you will export it, and that's all. Thank you for watching. If you learned something today, please subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and share with your friends. See you in my next tutorial. Bye.